Struggling with pet hair pickup on your hard floors? This is a video for you. Don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get the Kirby and household products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at pet hairs. We've got a vinyl floor, we've got lots of pet hairs. Now I could use the cordless to whiz it around. Cordless only lasts around 20 minutes. If I put it on high speed, it lasts around 10. It's going to take me a lot longer than 10 minutes to clean my skirting boards and get all them dog hairs off this vinyl floor. So today we're going to be checking out the floor accessory for your Kirby uprights. Let's jump straight into it. So we're going to install this hard floor accessory, and this will fit the G3 right up to the Avalier Platinum, and this attachment was released around from the G6 onward and ran right up to the Avalier 100. So when fitting this, you do not want the brush roll activated, you want the brush roll turned off, otherwise it's going to rub and damage your brush roll. So make sure your brush roll's off when fitting this system. So let's get it fitted and get this area cleaned from all the dog hair and grime. Just remember, when vacuuming hard floors, the Kirby tech drive must be left in neutral. Also, the brush roll must be disengaged so that the green light doesn't come on. Now to remove the Kirby hard cleaning floor accessory. Don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby and household products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial on how to use the Kirby hard floor accessory for your Kirby upright. Now just make sure when you're using it, you don't have that brush roll on as I demonstrate in the video, and you do not need tech drive. This works really well. Yes, you've got to connect those hose after just to clean off any dog hairs if you have got dog hairs. Dust and debris, it picks up a treat. It's mainly the dog hairs that tend to get stuck in here. So just put your hose on after just to clean this off, and the end of your Kirby nozzle, purely because that brush roll isn't spinning to pick up those dog hairs. Other than that, you could just turn your brush roll on when you've disconnected this, and it will suck up those hairs that are stuck in that brush roll. But as for this tool, I think it's great. You don't have to connect the hose to do the whole house if you don't want to. You can leave that Kirby in the upright position and just use this for cleaning up dust and debris. And then if you've got pets, it's great for dog hairs as well. Just make sure when using it that you go from left to right, purely because you've got that outlet on the Kirby. So if you go from right to left, anything that's on the left is going to blow out the exhaust and it's going to blow the hairs. So always start with a room and vacuum from the left to the right. That way it's not going to blow any debris to the left as you're moving across the floor from the left to the right. Now, for those of you looking at using the Kirby mop system, check out this video next. And for those of you looking to use the Kirby towel and grate system, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy cleaning, and I'll catch you next one.